What's up, Dom? Alright. Okay. So, if you guys want to see this painting, it's on my Instagram. And my Instagram, I'll put down something like down below here somewhere. Anyway. But if you see the one on my Instagram, it's a little bit different because at the time I made it with 4 spray paint cans. I made it with black, white, crystal clear, and I made it with red. And then I had a napkin, I had a magazine, and I had 2 poster boards. The painting you're about to see now is like, it was made at my house, so I had all my supplies with me. But other than that, like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video if you enjoy it. You guys have been giving me so much support. Thank you, Ticasso family, and enjoy. Okay, great. I love the saxophone, so this background music is like perfect. Okay, but anyway. Okay, so first I'm just making the layout of the waterfall and where I want the rocks. So the red parts that I plan out to be where the rocks are, I just want them highlighted as red, right? Because the main part of the painting is going to be black and white. Here I'm just adding the waterfall, I add black and white, and then I add crystal clear, and I just smudge my fingers all the way down. I'm adding a double layered waterfall, so there's going to be 2 parts to it. There's going to be the top part, and then the bottom part. You'll see later where I add it. Okay, here I'm just using the newspaper to try to find all the red spots that I just previously put. It's because I just want the rocks to be red and then the rest of the painting to be black and white. The reason why the left side of the painting is all black is because I want the shadow color to be black. Because I don't have a lot of colors to work with, I mix in white and black to make gray, so I can add in some gray foliage with a sponge. Purposely leaving giant spaces of black because in those spaces we're going to be adding red foliage. Here I'm adding white highlights to the foliage because I'm choosing my light source to be coming from the top right of the painting. And so I'm adding these little highlights to make it look more realistic. With the red foliage just standing by itself in a black and white type of painting, it really makes it stand out. That's why I chose one color for it to just stand out, and I chose the rest of the painting to be black and white. using an older brush, so it's not really behaving the way I want it to. But my main advice when drawing branches is that if your hands are shaky or if you're messing up and it's not perfect, that's okay, because branches and trees are not perfect themselves. So just do your best. Try to make the branches start off with a heavy base, like a very large base, and then thin out as the farther they go out. If you make any mistakes, you can try to cover them up with leaves in the future. Here I use black leaves to differentiate the tree itself from the actual foliage around it. Here I'll be adding the highlight as usual with the white paint and just trying to dab it on the top. I think the last thing this painting was missing was the rays of the sun and an actual sun itself. So what I do is just like when we were little, when we used to draw like the sun in the corner, that's exactly what I do. I just put the line straight down to make it look like the sunshine is going through the leaves. And because it's on top and it's the last layer that I'm doing, it looks like that it's shining over the tree that I just made, making it look more realistic. Here I'm just adding more vegetation with my palette knife and little branches to make it look even more realistic and to make it look more unique. What's up, Dom?
Where's that ball that this one's using?
I don't know. Here, tell them where we're going.
Going acai bowl.
It's an acai bowl. Seriously, say it right. He's never had one. So Nolan wakes me up really early in the
Are
morning.
you on your phone while driving?
Oh, that's another. I can get in trouble for that, I think.
Illegal.
It is actually illegal here. Anyway, well, I'm looking at the road and I've got one hand on the steering wheel. And don't pretend like nobody texts on their phone. The whole world does it. Right? And then they say that the world says the same exact thing. Don't do it. But, you know, we're humans and we just do it anyway.
Rules are meant to be broken.
I guess so. Yeah, so we're gonna go get an acai bowl. I hope you guys are liking the videos. I think I'm gonna just post 3 times a week. But they're gonna be different videos. So one will be like a quick painting, one will be like an actual painting with me with my voiceover, another time it will be me just talking, you know, giving tips and stuff. But yep, that's it. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Say goodbye, Nolan. Come on.
Bye.
Alright. You can't do that. I have to block that out somehow. I have to block that out. And you know what? I wonder what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna block it out.